Okay, for this week, we're going to do the teacher website assignment. If you watched the video or were in one of my lectures about chapter 6, we talked a lot about teacher websites. You're going to do two assignments. You'll do the other one in a few weeks. One is going to be this one that is going to help you get your content across to your students. So you need to recall what your lesson plan decision was, and you need to find websites that are going to help the students understand what concept you're trying to get across. They can be games, they can be anything, but no YouTube videos and no Khan Academy. Okay, absolutely not. I would give you a 0 if you do either of those two. So again, these are websites that are not going to help you write a lesson or anything like that. We'll do that next time. These are simply for you to use as resources to get your concept across to your students. You're going to do a paper, and I'm going to show you that here in a second, and then we'll look at some interactive sites that I really want to see interactivity. So I'm going to show you some examples here in a second. So when you look at the paper, you're going to put a screenshot of it. You're going to put the URL, and then you're going to write a good reflection that is at least 6 sentences, okay, of why you chose this website and how it's going to help you do your be a good resource for what you're trying to teach your students. And then you're going to do it again, okay, another screenshot, another URL, and another at least 6 sentences. If you do 3 for one and 3 for the other, guess what? You're going to get 50 points because you're not listening to what I'm saying. So 6 sentences for each reflection. Format it like this. It can be on 2 pages, that's fine. And then submit it. Now for websites, I want to see, you'll turn it in here as well. I want to see interactiveness. So let's go to like NASA and see. I think you're getting this all on the screen. So NASA has a thing called NASA Kids Club, and it's got a lot of different interactive things in here. So roving on Mars. You're going to need to have QuickTime Player, Flash to do this stuff. So when you hit play, the kids are just simply doing this stuff, and then they go to the next one, and yeah, and if you hit the sides, it goes back. So there's stuff like that. This is interactivity. You can do PBS Kids has stuff. Let me get rid of this one. Okay, PBS Kids has a lot of stuff that you can look at. Lots of games, lots of videos and stuff like that. You can look through there. Disney has several games as well, but you got to get them so that they're education related. So say for example you're doing math, you would do a Google search for math games, and you might come up with this. I did a Google search, math games for kids, all kinds of them, 300,000 math games. I've been to this site before, splashmath.com, and it's got a lot of good stuff in it. So it's got math games by grades, by topics, all kinds of stuff, multiplication, numbers, division, fraction, all this stuff it's got in here. And it's interactive. So if I'm going to do like rulers, I'm going to teach kids how to do rulers, and I want to teach them either metrics or customary units. I do customary units. And I guess it wants you to sign up for this. So I was just playing this a minute ago, so you may have to sign up for this stuff. And it's not gonna hurt to do this stuff and get those customized emails and alerts and stuff from these guys. Yikes. Can't be blank. Okay. And you can put, this is fine. Okay. Oh, year of birth. Hello. There we go. So you may need to sign up, and that's fine. What'd that take me? Less than a minute. Hopefully it'll work, but we'll see. So, it's taking longer than I wanted. Okay, save password. Okay, so yeah, you got to do all this stuff. Gee. I'll wait for this. So I'm gonna just move on, but you may have to do this stuff, and that's fine. Particularly if you plan on teaching this stuff. So, let's go back to Math Games for Kids. So, here's another one. I haven't seen this. This is all by grade level, which is great. This may be lessons. So.
Welcome to Adapted Mind, where monsters teach you math. From counting
to algebra, we make math visual and fun.
This is County. Oh, hi there. How many eyes do I have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So.
Nice work. I knew I could count on you.
Okay, so you can see where we're going here with all this stuff, and so find the websites, do a screenshot, write a reflection, put in the URL, and have fun with it. Okay, may take a minute to get where you want to be, but that's what you need to do. All right, have fun with this, and I'll see you soon, or I'll be talking to you soon rather.